Hey folks, Tim Robson here at the Hyundai KONA Junior Driver Program at the Hyundai N Festival. What an awesome day to take out 14 to 18-year-olds, some of them for the very first time ever driving a car. We've got the KONA Electric and we've got the KONA Hybrid. They're having an awesome time. We've probably got through 30 or 40 kids and they're coming back for seconds.
Just at the end of the corner, don't let go of the steering wheel. You've got to steer it out of the corner. Yeah, keep going, mate. So yeah, you always want to steer out of the corner. Yep. You don't want to let the car take over from you. Yep. So by letting go of the wheel, you've got no idea where the wheels are going to end up pointing. Yeah. Where if you steer it out, your brain's telling you where to steer it out to. Yeah.
And Max, you've just gone for your first drive. How was it?
Good. Thought I'd do worse than that, but I actually turned out pretty smooth.
Yeah?
For the first time being a driver. So, yeah, good.
What do you think of us introducing this sort of program?
Oh, it's a fantastic thing, you know, it just gives kids that, you know, what we used to do on farms and that sort of stuff with old cars and things like that. It gives them a chance to jump in a car and especially to drive new technology cars, which are electric vehicles, which, you know, kids in 10 years' time are very commonly going to start driving. So it's an amazing program, and thanks to Hyundai, it's a great initiative.